This is the sample program which we have written. Okay, and we discussed that inside writing main method is not only enough. Inside that you have to write the content. Then only it will execute. Means main from Java execution starts from main method, ends with main method. And whatever you guys are writing inside a main method, that will only execute. Or whatever you call inside a main method, that will execute. Clear? From up to here, I think everyone have done. Hello.
Yes, we did it.
Okay. Now next is we have public. What is public? Public place stands for access specifier. It decides scope, or you can say visibility of particular method. Okay. Always your main method should be public. It can't be protected, it can't be private, it can't be default. It should be always public. Now in Java, you have access specifiers public, protected, private, default. Public, you can access overall project. Means in project, you can access anywhere. If it is a public variable, public method, you can access anywhere. Any data which is considered as public, which has specified as public, it can be accessed overall the project. But if you are writing your method as protected, the access you can access only inside package. If it is a public private, you can access only in class. Default means you can access only in package. It is behaving exactly like protected. Default means there is no keyword. You just do not write anything. You don't write public, protected, private. You leave it as a blank. Then it is considered as default. Okay. So what is access specifier? Access specifier decides the scope or visibility of particular method or variable, or you can say data. In Java, we have 4 access specifier, that is public, protected, private, default. Public means you can access overall project. Protected means you can access only in package. Public project, protected package, private class, default behaves like protected. Up to here is okay, everyone?
Yes.
Any questions? Anyone? If it is a simple question, also I'll answer it again.
Yeah. The protect access only inside package, but on a package, but if you extend like a child class.
Then you can access outside the package as well.
Okay. So you can, yeah, if you extend that child class, then you can do that. Otherwise not, right?
Yeah, correct. 1 second. Everyone. Next, we have static keyword. Public static. What is static? Let's try to understand thoroughly what do you mean by static in Java. So this is a static is a keyword, everyone. It is one keyword, means purpose of that word is already decided. And it is a non-access modifier. We can say non-access modifier. It is used with methods, and you can even use with the variables. Okay. And main purpose of the static keyword is it is used for memory management. It is used for memory management. Let's see. If you write what happens static, when the memory will be allocated, that we will try to understand. Okay. So if we have any common data, okay, if we have common data, not unique, that data you have to make it as a static, so that memory will be allocated once at the time of class loading. If we have common data, not unique, it is common for every entry, then that data you have to make it static. Why? Because only one time memory will be allocated when class loads, when class is loaded. Okay, understood? Oh? Hello? Am I not audible?
Yeah. Listening.
So always remember, everyone. Example, let's say uh, any data like
So the static only one time memory will allocate, right?
yes.
Loaded.
Let's take employees. Okay. Employee ID will be there. Employee name will be there. Department will be there. And department, employee ID, employee name, department, organization name, company. I write employee ID 1. Name, happy. Department 1, 2, 3. Or say, let's say properly, DevOps. Company name, BDIT. Second, employee ID. Next person name, let's say Jamila. This is for, she is a developer and she works for same company, BDIT. Whenever the information is stored, for employee ID, memory is allocating, name is allocating, department is allocating, company name. Second data also happens the same. In this 2 entries, common thing is what? Company name. Here memory has to get allocated one time. We should not waste this thing. Only one time we will allocate the memory, and it is common for all the entries. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
The
Yes.
data which is common, we will make it as a static data. Memory will be allocated only once when the class loaded. While class is loading, your memory will be allocated once. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Any other thing? Non-static. If your data is not static, means memory will be allocated every time that we have to do. Every runtime, like whenever the object is created, memory will be allocated. Fine, everyone. Hello. Hope everyone understood. You guys are not responding what I should say.
Yes, we understood.
Okay, the next one is return type and parameters. These two definitions you have to understand. Return type and parameters are used for communication purpose. Two different methods can exchange their information with the help of return type and parameters. But main method will be always void. This means no return type. And this is the parameter. This in main method, whatever the string args you are seeing, it is called as command line arguments. Argument parameters both are same. Void is return type. No return type. It won't give you, it just do the task and finish it. And main is a method name. Okay, let's use, can we change this one? We can change, we can give any name. And let's try to print that one. System dot out dot print ln. I'll write s of 1 semicolon. Okay, I just wrote 1. Let's see what happens now. S is a variable and 1 is a one position value. Let's see. My program is saved in D drive, right? Inside that, I have a folder called Tanveer. Inside that, we will write Java C, class name, sample, file name sample, extension is Java. No error in the program. We are running the program now, Java sample. Exception, array index out of, because while I am running the program, I have not given any argument, so it is saying error. Okay, let me run one more time. Java sample, I'll give now input. Let's give normally and let's see what happens. bdit. Again exception, it is telling 1. Why? Because I entered only one name and I'm asking the second position one. bdit Dubai. Now it will print Dubai. Whenever you enter the data, this one it will store in 0 position. This one it will store in 1 position. I printed S of 1. So it is printing what? Dubai. Okay. Got it, everyone? Hello. Hello.
Yes.
See, the things will go smoothly if the opposite people respond. Otherwise, I couldn't do that one.
Okay, sure. Okay, go ahead, Samreen.
Yeah. How it looks, it doesn't respond. Everyone have to understand that If we respond, our class will be very interactive
Mhm.
and very interesting.
Okay, we'll respond.
Okay, let's see. So now we finish public static void main string args. Any question is there? Please ask me. If not, we will jump back to operators. And we'll start doing some basic programs or variables and data types we will see. Okay, we'll do one exercise. Everyone, I'll write some piece of code. You guys, please list out how many compile time errors are there, how many runtime errors are there. Okay.
Okay.
I'm writing a code. Take a time, think, and tell me. Okay. This is a piece of code. You guys have to follow. How many compile time errors are there? How many runtime errors are there? Okay. Write a code on a paper, list out all the things and let me know.
Compile time error is 1, 2, 3. Compile time error is 3.
Okay, list out and post in the chat box.
Okay.
For everyone, the question is understood. If you understand the class, this question is clear for you then.
Yeah, this is one. Can I do which one? The right answer I will give you. Like which one is?
You just need to find out how many compile time errors are there and how many run time errors are there.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Everyone, please.
This one. Three. I just put compile error is 3 and runtime error 1. I don't know, is it right or not?
I don't know. I did the same, I think. And there is a caps LN. I don't know. Is it that uppercase LN? L.
Or runtime error also 2.
LN is also included?
2 because the system.out.println A
Yeah.
is not like a double quotation something.
Oh, there is no double quotation in last two. I didn't see it. Yeah.
And this one is like a arithmetic type. This one I don't know.
Logical, yeah.
This illogical is not. I don't know. Is it right or wrong? And compile time is public static final. Final is not final. Public static void main, and string argu is like a string. For after that we are array, then argus. This one also. You can check. I don't know.
How many errors?
2 errors.
3.
Yeah.
One is there is a semicolon, and another is expected as system.out. Okay, this one. And other one is a there is a array like a, see there is a expected
The round.
round. Yeah,
I
this
did
one
that.
I told you. There's the round bracket is not over there.
Okay,
This is the array
listen.
simple.
In
Third
this
package.
program, oh, listen, in this program, so many issues are there, but it has identified only two things. One is this round brace.
Mhm.
Second one is what?
Semicolon.
Final.
Or there is a,
Semicolon.
yeah,
Oh.
right. So
And
I use,
see,
I just, three I just mentioned because the final is using, I'm not sure this one is perfect or not.
two errors only. It has identified two errors. Now let's fix these two errors. Are we again identifying some issues or not? Let's check.
Okay.
I'm writing semicolon. And second one, I'm removing this one. I'm writing this one. Control S. Come back. Again. Compile. Three more errors. And this time completely different errors. See?
Yes.
Actually, all the errors should be identified at the first only. But because of these errors, control doesn't comes to the next line.
You cannot final symbol, right? I look at the, yeah, this one I just thinking.
See, simple. What is that one is? A is not a variable.
Mhm.
And A is not in a single quotation, nor even a double quotation. So compiler is saying, what is this A? I'm unable to understand. One.
Yes.
Second one is what? Out. Package system does not exist, it is saying. In this system, I
Oh,
wrote S small case,
oh, this one
not
is,
uppercase. I wrote
S
small
small
case.
case and
yes.
O small case. Yeah, S capital and O small.
Yeah, this one is capital and out is small.
I wrote like
O,
that.
O is a small letter. So I just missed.
And next here also I use a variable called A. So that's the reason it is an issue.
Yeah, this one I just.
But still some issues are there. It is not able to identify. Let's fix this one. Three errors. First one, system. Let me fix it. I'll write down S capital. Done.
and
Next.
out, O
It
is,
has not identified, right? Out. Write down out. It has not identified that out. It just identified system. Package system does not exist. It is talking about out? No. So I have not touched. Second one, A. So let me write down A on the top. Int A equal to something like 10. Okay. Second issue is finished. Third issue, it is talking about, this is a third one. Okay. If one is fixed, both are fixed, right? It is also a variable A, here also variable A only it is telling. So three things I have fixed. Now let's compile one more time.
there out, O system dot out one O you are also big letter you put. You need to.
Yes. I have to fix this one also. O is lowercase.
Lowercase, right?
Now all compile time things got fixed. Again, still some problem is there. What is that? I don't know.
This is the string.
The
Something.
we didn't
is
declare
a-
the value. We didn't declare the value in A, and you are dividing.
No, error. Check the error properly. What it is?
We
variable
didn't assign the value in
Int.
A variable. Then how we are supposed to divide a variable by?
because this one is
Leave that above. Leave
this
that
one
A.
is string, but the other one is a integer.
No. Listen, देखो ना error.
Oh,
Check
that
error.
cannot final say. Okay. Now I
It
get
is telling cannot find the symbol.
L is
Why it is
capital.
unable to
Yeah,
find the
now-
error?
L is capital.
Yes. Yes, now I got it.
So for you guys, theory doesn't work out, only practical work out. So you guys will respond. I understand. Compile. Now code is error. Understood?
Yes.
But still error is there. And this time, I guess you guys have already identified that error. I will run and you can see the error. What is the error?
In like
Main method.
the main method is a public static void main method static
Main method not found.
found in class.
We wrote main method, but still
But
it's
it's
saying
not,
not.
it's
What
not.
is the reason? What
There's
might
a
be the reason?
final. You wrote final over there.
Okay, I'll remove the final.
And also you can change the string array. This is the array, then Argus. You have to
It's okay. If the square bracket is here or here, no problem.
Mhm.
File time, no error. Run time, I'm sure there should be some error after fixing also.
Yeah, because I think there is a
No,
variable.
no, 1 second, 1 second. Okay, now again I'm done. What is the answer?
Could not final or local main class. Java class not found. Exception. Okay. This is cause.
I'll remove
This is,
uppercase M.
oh, this is the main. The main is the uppercase. That's why. Mhm. Yeah, it's really, it's very sensitive. Yes, Java is the lowercase, uppercase. We are not like, we have to very carefully see the
Again, still it is showing something has happened.
again error.
Let me check what happened.
Again error will come.
Sample 2 is there, but sample 2 dot class file is not generated. I don't know why. Okay, fine. Sample 2 is there, but class name is what? Sample.
Mhm.
If I write sample 2, then it will give the sample 2. Otherwise, no. Let me compile. Again, now run. It's ready.
It depends on your which.
Dot class file name and the class name. Okay. Whatever the class name you give, that only will be your dot class name.
Okay.
Fine, everyone. So what we do, it's better every chapter we do practically. At least you guys will respond in the session. Now it is okay. The structure.
Yes.
Okay, so what I do, I'll send you one notes in the group to Tehsi. She will be sharing you guys, and tomorrow in the class we will discuss those topics only. Fine.
Okay.
It
Sounds-
will be helpful. At least
Yes.
you, if you go through the notes again in the class, I'll explain the same thing. It will be little, interactive
Yes,
more.
that's true. Actually, this is really good.
Okay, I'll share the topic which I'll be covering in the next session. And let's see. Today Nasir didn't join. I'm missing him. Where is he? Happy?
No, I'm here. I'm here.
Oh, okay.
I'm here.
Yeah.
But I joined a little late because I thought it was 1 o'clock. I didn't know it was like 12:20. I was told it was 1 o'clock.
No worries, you can see the recording.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please stop this stream. I'm sending the notes.
Okay.
You guys can, I think you can forward. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
But Nasi, you have to go through the notes.